All right, guys, so here we are at one of my better locations. We're going to do a collection video here. As a side note, I've been here for about an hour. This machine is different from any other programming that I've had to work with before. This 5-pace catcher Alibaba machine, the Ricoli. This is similar to the Lee Fund Amusements machines. This one I got off a reseller on Facebook Marketplace, a Space Warrior, but it's one of the cheaper like Space Warriors.
Always put more in there.
Yes, and I've had to adjust all of these settings on this machine. I've spent over an hour trying to figure this thing out, but we're going to collect on these two machines and then we'll move on to our next location. And as you can see, I got all my restock from Alibaba with me here. We've got all this different stuff in there. So right out the gate, I'm not looked at the settings yet here, but this is for a 7-day collection. Right here, I see some 5s. We're gonna jump in real quick into the settings and see how this performed. Just 1 second. I like this setup so much better. Everything is so much cleaner. Like accounts is just simple. We're gonna go down to total accounts. The current coins in the machine as of 1 week collection is right here. We're gonna take that number, divide that by 4. That's gonna give you the total coins in the machine, quarters and bills. This is the amount of prizes that were paid out in the last week. As you can see, the machine is probably half less than what I stock it at right here, about half as much. So we're gonna get our new stuff in there and restock it, and then we'll check on our second machine over here and see how it did for 1 week. I don't think it's gonna do that good because the claw was just not working well. So we're gonna adjust the strength of this claw. I do not like the M1s. And if we keep this claw, we're gonna need to get the grips for that because I think that's really negatively affecting how it grabs harder toys. This one has the grips and it's a bigger claw. People like this machine way better, so I'm gonna have to either get rid of this one or adjust it in several ways, but let's dive in. That's a 1 week collection right there. Let's collect and then we'll move on.
How you doing, man?
Pretty good, how about you?
Good. What is due?
It was going so low so fast that I needed something second, so because they were playing this out in a few days.
Oh, you make a lot of money, man.
It does okay.
Okay.
Our sorry. Let's see here. Somebody was chatting with me. I thought that was the owner for a second. I've actually never met the owner at this location, so we're just trying to figure out who that was for a second. Didn't want to be disrespectful. If that was him, he was wanting to chat. I wanted to be sure to talk to him. Just collecting the quarters. This location has more quarters this week than it typically did. So we'll put all the quarters away. Stuff that actually looks like Labubus. They're very similar. Very, very similar. But the Labubus are just so here's a 1 week collection here on the Space Warrior, the one that was giving me a lot of problems. The owner who I bought these from, or the seller, said he would help me out to figure it out. So we're gonna try to see if we can figure this thing out. The machine definitely gave people a lot of problems, so I don't want to do that to people. I want this thing to pay out like it should. We got some 10s, some 5s there. So we're trying to brainstorm it. I've increased the depth that the claw goes down, so deeper. I've slowed the claw down and I've increased the strength. So it ought to work. All right, see you at the next one. What's up, everybody? It's Zach, Claw and Collect. We're on our way to our second location. We just left my first and best location. The secondary claw machine I have there, I didn't do the math on it as far as the revenue it brought in. I'm not really sure, but I'm estimating around $60 for a 7-day. And I have 2 claw machines there. One tracks the revenue, the other one isn't. I'm not clear on how it does so, but it looks like it did about 60. The one that does track revenue did 185 in a week, a 7-day collection. On our way to the second location, but this first location, I'm way behind on my time. I spent over an hour tinkering with that the miniature claw machine that's there, the Space Warrior from Alibaba. It's like the $250 one before shipping machine, the really cheap ones, Space Warriors. And the programming on it is just terrible. I factory reset it because I could not figure out how to get this claw machine to grab almost anything. If I adjusted one thing, then it affected it in some other kind of way. So right now, I'm on my way to the second location to collect. And if you look behind me, we're getting ready to place a new machine at a new location. I just got a new location agreement, not an agreement, but a go-ahead from a business owner to a new pizza restaurant and also a Mexican restaurant directly next to that pizza restaurant. 2 different business owners though, but the Mexican restaurant owner referred me to the pizza restaurant owner, so that was pretty cool. So I'm actually going to drive to my slowest location, the one I've taken you guys to, the one that was turned off last week. I'm going to take that machine out of that spot and I'm going to move it to these new locations until I get some new machines, and then I will send one back there. That business owner is okay with me kind of coming and going. He is sort of distant from his overall businesses anyways, so if I pull that claw machine from there for now, the mini I have there, and then take it somewhere else, he's probably not gonna be even aware that it happened. And I'll just let his manager know there that I intend to bring one back within 30 days, which is kind of what I'll do. So that's all that's going on today. I've got about a 35-minute drive to my distant location after I stop at this second one. So the main reason I talk in terms like that is because, again, I just don't want to tell everybody on YouTube where my spots are, because I don't want the competition and people getting involved in my actual private business. I don't care to show you guys and take you along and show you my own experience and share with you the very minimal amount of knowledge I feel like I've gained so far, but definitely don't want to give anyone that might have bad intentions any clues on how to take business from me, which has happened to Extreme Vending and other people on YouTube that told people where their locations actually were. So let's jump into it here. I'll show you guys. I'll be back with you again when we get to my second spot. We'll be there in about 10 minutes. All right, so here we are, guys, at our second location. Do a little reveal, see how it did. Several ones, a few ones. We're gonna jump into our programming real quick. Just hang with me. This is the coin mech that gives me a lot of problems. So gotta use 2 hands to get this one open. Okay. Let's see how it did. That's current plays for 7 days, 322 coins, 20 prizes paid out. I'm gonna go ahead and clear our date. So next time we come in, the coins it shows will be for that time period. We'll service our machine, get it filled up, move on to our next one. What's up, everybody? We're at our third location, and for the week it did 504 coins, a total of $126. This is about a 7-day play, which for this location is the best this one has done. So we'll get in here and we'll service it, put new prizes in it. Move on to our next one. Here's what it did down in the bottom. In terms of dollars and amounts played, it did really well. I'm pretty shocked about this one actually, as I'm getting ready to take this machine to one of my new locations. I got a yes on yesterday. Then I'll come back next week and probably put this machine here. I'm jostling machines around different locations, so definitely gonna get one put back in here in the near future. Let's service it. We'll move on to the next. All right, guys, so we installed a new location here at a local pizza joint. We got our dollar setup, our contact sticker. Here's our claw machine ready with the prize key on top, the Valentine's Day minion. Everything is zeroed and serviced. Works perfect in this corner with this jukebox situation, so we'll see how it does next week. All right, guys, so we just got done installing both claw machines at two different restaurants that are side by side down here. One's a Mexican restaurant and one is a pizza restaurant, and they're directly side by side to each other. In fact, the Mexican restaurant owner referred me to the pizza restaurant owner and got them both placed the same day. I'll post a picture in here. I didn't take any video at the last location, which was the Mexican restaurant. And both videos of the new locations were pretty slow or pretty fast. There wasn't a lot to say other than, you know, you wheel the machine in, you fill it up with the toys, you set the settings up like you expected to set them up, and that's really it. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.